Erin Cochran from revealingredesign.com, and today I'm standing in the kitchen that we just finished up, and I wanted to give you guys a little tour so you can see the result of all this many months of work. It's a beautiful outcome. Okay, so let me sort of tell you where we are. So when we first started working on this kitchen, my client had asked that we figure out a way to incorporate more space, and initially we talked about an eating area, maybe in addition to incorporate an eating area. But after looking at the layout, we talked about some things that we could change around the house to make other rooms work more. So if you, let's come back here. So back in this area, where this support column is, there used to be a wall here and a hallway, and this was originally one of their home offices. So instead of adding on to the space, we explored options for encompassing this space into the footprint of the kitchen, and now we have this nice long room that feels so much more spacious and has so much more elbow room. And we incorporated a nice big island, which was one of the things they wanted for entertaining, with lots of seating at this end. So basically we moved what used to be there used to be a wall here where the range was and the refrigerator, and then opened this up for longer sight lines, and removed the opening here to their mudroom so that all this space could be incorporated into one area. What used to be on this wall, this used to be pantry space, and so all along this wall were two long pantries that were shallow. So we sort of bumped everything over, incorporated a walkway for the island, and put in the wall ovens here and a nice little coffee station over here. And also another thing that we changed, so previously when the house was built, they had shorter upper cabinets that only went so high, and then a crown at the top of that. So we incorporated cabinets that go all the way up much higher, and then a nice piece of trim with a nice large crown that lifts your eye and makes the whole room seem more vertical and more spacious. And it has so many neat details to it too. Okay, so basically that's the space. I'm glad I got to share it with you today. And if you have questions, make sure you write back or leave a comment. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.